Hey, my name's Thomas, and I'm really hungry right now. I don't have much money, and I certainly don't have much time. Okay, real quick, just to be entirely transparent, I've got plenty of money, I just don't want to spend it, and I've got so much time on my hands. It's like noon on a Saturday, and I don't have to be anywhere until like 6. So, what we're gonna do is, instead of going and showing you how to make some gourmet meal like all these other YouTubers wanna show you, I'm gonna show you how to make regular people food. By regular people food, I mean we're gonna make frozen chicken nuggets in my air fryer. So we're gonna open my freezer up, we're gonna grab these, boom, and these are our chicken nuggets. These are by Just Bare lightly breaded chicken bites. I don't have a lot of these right now, so I'm basically just gonna take all of them and dump them into the air fryer just like that. I'm gonna toss it in. And honestly, I'm just gonna turn this thing on. I like to throw mine at 400 for 8 minutes. So while those are cooking, I'm gonna do something just a little extra, and I'm gonna make like a breakfast taco style chicken nugget dish. So I'm gonna grab a pan, toss it on. I'm just gonna crank this bad boy up, maybe to like a little over medium high. Then I'm gonna grab an egg right here. I'm gonna grab some cheese. I'm gonna toss it right there. And then the last thing I'm gonna grab, tortillas right here. So that shouldn't be anything crazy. I'm gonna coat the pan just a little bit. I'm gonna get our egg rolling right here. So I'm gonna grab my plate right here. Whoop. Now, once these chicken nuggets are done cooking in the air fryer, I'm gonna throw some cheese onto the skillet while it's really hot, and then I'm gonna toss a tortilla on the top. It's gonna give the outer layer of my breakfast burrito a little cheese crust. All right, now that I've got that ready to go, again, remember, we've got the nice cheese bottom right there. And I wanna cut some of these up into smaller bits right here. Once it's in there, a little easier to place all on it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the egg right there, I'm gonna toss some of these, which I could probably just do right here. So I'm probably gonna eat several of these chicken nuggets on the side, but I do like to have the added benefit of having just a little bit of a breakfast burrito, a little breakfast taco type setup. I gotta give this that nice little test right here. That is so good. The cheese on the bottom just always does it. It's just perfect. So that's what I like to call regular person food. It's not fancy chef-made stuff that's super cinematic. This is regular food made by a regular person. If you wanna see more stuff like this, let me know. Leave a comment, like the video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.